we will guide you through how to create windows on AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting AutoCAD from the Start menu. Start a new drawing by clicking New, or open an existing architectural drawing where you want to create the window. Go to the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Click Line or type Line in the command line and press Enter to begin creating the main window shape. Pick the first point and draw the bottom horizontal line with a length of 2,000 millimeters. Continue drawing the side line upward with a height of 300 millimeters. Draw the top horizontal line back toward the opposite side. Then close the rectangle by connecting the final line to the starting point, so the window forms a complete 2,000 millimeters times 300 millimeters boundary. Type Offset in the command line and press Enter to create the window frame. Enter 50 millimeters as the offset distance and press Enter. Select one side line and offset it 50 millimeters toward the inside of the window. Repeat the same step for the opposite side line to complete the side frames. Next, draw a horizontal line through the center of the window to divide the upper and lower sections. Type Offset again and enter 25 millimeters as the offset distance. Select the center horizontal line and offset it 25 millimeters upward. Then offset the same line 25 millimeters downward to create the middle frame. Delete the original center line because the two offset lines now represent the frame. Type Trim and remove any unwanted line segments extending beyond the window boundary. Finally, select completed window objects. Change color using Properties panel before pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the drawing safely.